Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, wondering where all your money went and how much time you've wasted trying to keep track of it all? You're not alone. Businesses, big and small, face this challenge every single day. It's a headache, a time sink, and frankly, it can feel like you need a superpower just to stay on top of your expenses. But what if I told you that superpower exists? What if there was a tool out there that could automate the whole messy process, giving you back precious time and providing crystal clear insights into your spending? That's where Expensify comes in. Now, you're probably thinking, sounds great, but what's the catch? How much is this magical solution going to set me back each month? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And it's exactly what we're going to break down for you today. Expensify offers a range of plans designed to fit different needs and budgets, from individual users to large corporations. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation, which is actually a good thing because you can choose the plan that truly aligns with your specific requirements. Let's start with their individual plan, often called Track. This is perfect for freelancers, sole proprietors, or anyone who needs a simple yet effective way to manage their personal or business expenses. As of today, April 25, 2025, the Track plan typically costs around $4.99 per month. For that, you get unlimited receipt scanning, automatic expense reports, and direct integrations with accounting software, making tax season a whole lot less stressful. Next up, we have plans designed for businesses. These usually come with more advanced features and collaborative tools. One popular option is often called Submit. This plan usually caters to small teams and offers everything in the Track plan, plus features like multi-level approval workflows and company card reconciliation. The pricing for the Submit plan can vary depending on the number of users, but you might be looking at a starting price of around $9 per active user per month. For larger organizations with more complex needs, Expensify typically offers enterprise-level plans. These are often customized to the specific requirements of the company and can include features like advanced reporting, single sign-on, SSO, and dedicated support. The pricing for these plans is usually quoted on a case-by-case basis, so you'll need to reach out to Expensify directly for a personalized quote. It's important to note that these prices are as of today and can be subject to change. Expensify often offers free trials, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date pricing and to see if you can take a plan for a test drive before committing. They might also have discounts for annual subscriptions, which could save you some money in the long run. Beyond the monthly subscription cost, it's worth considering the value you're getting in return. Think about the time your team currently spends manually processing expenses, the potential for errors, and the lack of visibility into your spending. Expensify can automate these tasks, reduce errors, and provide valuable insights, ultimately saving you time and money. It's an investment that can pay for itself in increased efficiency and better financial control. So, while the exact cost of Expensify per month depends on the plan you choose and the number of users you have, understanding their tiered pricing structure can help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Remember to always check their official website for the most current pricing information and to explore any available free trials. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.